कॉम्पिटिशन आसा ही एक कार्यक्रम जो आसा तो ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनचे आमी दवरलेलो आमचे कडचे एफर्ट्स योग हो केवळ फिजिकली बरेपण करता अशें न्हय जाल्यार मनशाक मानसीक शांतता आजच्या जगान जेन्ना सगळे कडेन टेन्शन आनी सगळे कडेन प्रॉब्लेम्स आसता तेव्हा मानसीक शांतता ही योगा दिता म्हणजे हार्मोनी पीस हेल्थ ताजे बरोबर येणारी वेल्थ ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली योगान शक्य जाता आनी म्हणून योगा हो केवळ आयच्या दिसाक करपाक न्हय जाल्यार थ्रू आउट लायफ आमी करूंक जाय ताका म्हणजे आमच्या पयलींच्या जीवन पद्दतीन योगाची अनेक भुमिका अनेक आसनां ही स्वाभावीकपणे आमी करताले जेवन बसता आसतना पाणी घालून बसप पासून ते अन्य वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम तातूंत भितर योगाच्यो सगळ्यो मुद्रा आपल्याक खंय येताल्यो पूण आयच्या जगाच्या जिवनात खंय मुद्दम करच्यो पडटा सगळ्यांनी योग हो संपूर्ण वर्सभर करूंक जाय.
The science of yoga is a very, very big gift given to us by our saints, by the rishis and munis, and it has come into existence thousands of years ago. And now, friends, in this modern era, I would say it is a gift given to us by the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who made it a point to impress upon the UN General Assembly to see that out of 193 countries, 177 countries would adopt yoga and would practice yoga. It's a very, very big decision to happen, and entire credit must go to our beloved Prime Minister, who himself will be doing the asanas at the national level function in Lucknow today. Friends, as Director of Sports, yoga is part of the curriculum, physical education curriculum in the school and at the high secondary schools for the last 3-4 decades. But after yoga has attained this one-level phenomena, there has been a lot of trust and a lot of emphasis being given in ensuring that this particular syllabi of yoga is followed in its letter and spirit at the high school and high secondary school. We are very happy that the physical education teachers and the heads of the schools have very nicely responded to our call, and yoga has now become part and parcel of the daily activity in the school and high secondary schools.
It is one of the longest days in a calendar year. If you look back at it, it is one of the longest days, and this is the day set to be celebrated as International Yoga Day. Because yoga is part of our culture, our Indian culture. But over a period of years, I think there was not much importance given, to yoga. And now we have people from other countries, teachers from other countries who have mastered, learned our art, and they teach yoga to us and also to people around the world. So this is something wherein we need to think about. Something that is part of our culture should be taught by us. And it can only be possible if we spread this message by having International Yoga Day, by getting people tuned into yoga.
Om Sangachadvam, Samvadadvam, Samvo Manasi, Janatam, Deva Bhagam, Yatha Purve,
नॅशनल योगा डे आसा. आमी जशी ग्रावंडार एक्सरसाइज करून आमची फिजिकल फिटनेस आमी तशें दवरूंक शकतात, तशें योगा करूनय आमी दवरूंक शकतात. सो योगा आनी ग्रावंडार वचून फिटनेस करता ते दोगांचें मिलन आसा आनी आमी हेल्थ बरे भशेन दवरूंक शकता.
आज यहाँ गोवा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट में हम CISF और एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया सब मिलकर लोग योगाभ्यास किए. योगा बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है आधुनिक दिनचर्या को देखते हुए. पीस ऑफ माइंड का कंसंट्रेशन जो है सब के लिए आवश्यक है योगा। अभी आधुनिक जो दिनचर्या हो गई वो इस तरह की हो गई है कि जिसमें योगा का महत्व बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ते जा रहा है। आज क्या है कि आदमी बोलता कुछ और है, सोचता कुछ और है। ये सब चीज़ों को कंसंट्रेट करने के लिए योगा बहुत ज़रूरी है।
आप घर पे जाके ऐसे ही, चाहे कोई ट्रेनर हो ना हो, जो साहब ने बताया है इसको कैरी करिए और घर पे जब भी टाइम मिले, जैसा साहब ने बताया उस समय करिए। जो बताया कि ये इस टाइम पे करना है, खाना खाने से 4 घंटे पहले या 4 घंटे बाद करना, उस तरह से अपना नियम को फॉलो करिए और डेफिनेटली इसका लाभ मिलेगा।